Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Thursday morning forecast update. Very stormy Wednesday and Wednesday night, and that will continue into our Thursday here. Quite a few severe thunderstorms late yesterday, some heavy rain and flash flooding, and all of those things are on the table again today. And you can see some storms brewing this morning. These will likely sweep across Oklahoma, northeast Texas, and Arkansas between the hours of about 6 and 9 a.m. this morning. Wind and hail going to be the main issue with these early morning thunderstorms, and then later this afternoon there'll be another round of storms that moves down I-20 and affects the rest of the Arctic. So the way it was kind of shaking out today, the 30% chance of rain for the northern Arctic this morning, likely dry for a few hours, late morning, early afternoon, but you can see those storm chances rising late this afternoon, this evening, and wind and hail will be the main risk with the storm. Should have enough recovery with the atmosphere today. Of course, it was fairly worked over by the storms late yesterday, but temperatures here fairly warm. We have a wind out there about 10 to 15 miles per hour, which is pumping that humidity into the Arctic as well. So all the ingredients are there to see a few strong storms today. 80s and low 90s for high temperatures, so definitely enough heat for those storms to get going. And yesterday we were in that level 3 enhanced risk outlook. For today we are in that level 2 slight risk, and again, main threat for us is going to be for hail and wind. Can't rule out a tornado or two. We had quite a few tornado warnings yesterday. I don't expect we'll see as many today, and of course will be a flooding risk as well, especially in the Shreveport area where radar estimates we did see a good 3 to 5 inches of rain. A lot of these areas I-20 and southward. So taking a look here at your Robins Toyota Futurecast, it does show that push of storms mainly impacting the northern Arctic this morning, and you'll see this afternoon some of the scattered storms arriving that will continue into the evening. These will bring that risk of wind and hail to all of us as well. And if you get under some of the stronger storms today, I think in Shreveport we had 4 rounds of storms that moved through. You can get an inch or two with each one of those rounds. It would be surprising to see some 2 to 4 inch totals or maybe even higher today if we do get a few rounds of storms in the northern Arctic. So flash flooding is definitely a concern for us today. We should quiet down a bit tomorrow. Slight chance of storms on Saturday for the northern Arctic, and we'll just continue to stay hot through Memorial Day there, but we'll see those temperatures drop off early next week. We have a front coming through, should drop the humidity and get rid of the storm chances for a few days. So a little bit of heat and storm relief by the middle of next week.